girl, hey, yo. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Cita here, and if you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, hey, girl, hey. So what we doing right now? We're taking this, I want to say modem so bad, the little Wi-Fi box, I can't think of it right now, back to Xfinity. And then I got some dog food I have to drop off at Petco. So we're doing those two errands, and then we're running back to the house because, girl, it's cold out. Good, how are you? Okay. Returning. Made it to Petco. Hey, we made it back home. So that PetSmart didn't accept donations. So we gotta go to another PetSmart. We're not doing that today. We'll do it when we go to Target, because there's one over by Target. And we'll take it from there. We're not doing a Target run or anything today. Well, maybe tomorrow, because it's time to re-up on like paper towel, toilet paper, stuff like that. So it's time to do a run for that. So, but yeah, so I'm home. I just made my food. I'm about to eat, and we will reconvene later. Hey, girl, hey. I'm coming at you from inside the house. Girl, I was like, man, I'm over this winter, this Michigan winter. Done and over it. So I go to drop the boys off at school this morning, and I got a drip coming out from right above like where the lights are, where you can turn on the little lights. It's dripping from there. I'm like, oh Lord. So I try to wipe it down, whatever. It's drenched. I said, oh my goodness. So now I'm like, all right, I'll go back in the house, grab the whole roll of paper towel, because at this point we gotta go. And it's dripping. I turn the corner and water just starts coming down all on the driver's side. On the passenger side. I said, oh my God. Like, dropped the boys off at school. So I was like, I'll just check when I get home. Check the back seat as I'm driving away. Sebastian left his gloves in the truck. I gotta go back to the school. He needs his gloves. Give him the gloves. Since I'm in the parking lot, I check, because I thought it was the sunroof seal. Sunroof seal looks fine. Like, it don't look like there's no cracks, no breaks, no nothing. It looks fine. But I have a crack in my windshield. All this cold weather cracked my windshield. Girl. Yeah, I still have my hat on. And at this point, I really don't care. Because, so I'm like, all right, let me see what Safe Flight is talking about, what a quote will be, all this other stuff. So then I look at the quote, and I was like, oh my God. I said, well, it's like, if you just would replace the windshield itself, it's $4.90. This is before taxes if you want to pay out of pocket. But if you use your insurance, it's $0. Okay, let me call and see how much it's going to cost if I use my insurance. Because my thing is this. Is my deductible, like, is my insurance rate going to go up? Because it is. Because, like, it cracked. You know what I mean? So I call the insurance agent, and he was like, nah, it's cool. You're all right. Just go ahead and contact your insurance company, let them know what happened, and then just take it from there. It's covered under my insurance. I think he said I have to pay like maybe a $50 deductible, but other than that, it'll be paid for. So we got to do that today because we were supposed to be going out, girl. Remember, because I told you earlier in the week. It's a couple of days later. Told you earlier in the week we had some shopping to do because I wasn't trying to do all that when I was talking to y'all last. I was like, I will go home, and I did. And yesterday we went to Costco, and that seemed too much for me. I don't even understand how, but it's the part of picking up, because I had to get picking up the waters from off the shelf in the cart, and then they ring it up. But even still, I gotta take it out the cart, put it in the truck, drive it home, take it out the truck, bring it in the house. And then you gotta put it away. Like, girl, I was tired. I was tired after just lifting the stuff up and putting it into the truck. That's the part that I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm not doing anything else today. Like, that's what took me out. So, but anywho, that's the update for, I guess, what's going on. We'll see what happens, and I'll keep you posted, girl. Like, I'm not even mad. Like, not even mad. It's a lot of what the going on. Because really, what is going on? I'm like, is this full moon type stuff? Because if that's the case, you could keep it. Because I'm like, I discovered the crack this morning. And then came home, dropped my phone down a flight of stairs. My God. I was like, what in the entire hell? Anywho, that's not what this whole entire thing is going to be about. But that was my morning. But after talking to the insurance agent, I feel so much better. So I am going to make my tea. I'm going to sip on that. And we're going to file this claim. And then we'll be back. This is how much water I cleared out of the truck. I'm about to dump this and go back outside. I got some water running so I can mop. So I had some water come in the basement because of the rain. Water's just coming in everywhere, girl, I swear. So I put some hot water in here so that way I can add to this, because I mopped up all over there. And as you can see, I still need to mop that part. But the drop ceiling fell and got wet. So I got to clean up all of this, right? That patch over there. I can't even do it. How do you? There we go. I got to clean that patch up because that's where it fell. It got wet at. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.